This is for a spot repair to start. I can't get my camera past this line in the driveway, so we're going to have to bring the cut saw out. What they want us to do is backfill the earth and then put concrete back if the spot repair stays a spot repair. Either way, that backfill in Tampa is 4 feet deep right there. Now, I think it's Orangeburg. I mean, some of the houses have been knocked down. Some of the houses haven't. This one's got that Orangeburg brick on it. Anyway, job here. Cut this out right here, about 1.5 to 2 feet wide. Dig down to the pipe, pile all the dirt to the side, get down to the pipe, cut it out of the way, video both ways. If there's more problems in the sewer, I need to know about it so I can come back out and diagnose it. If there's not more problems in it, let me know, and then new stick of PVC, bed it in gravel, backfill it, and pour new concrete. Make sure you put this divide back in the concrete right there, and then you'll be good to go. If they got to clean out inside, so they don't need to clean out here in the middle of the driveway. So we'll just move from there. We'll start small right here and see where it takes us in the long run. And you're right by a school, and there's parking is kind of heinous.